Horses out, Ria Valiente. Fast to begin, Black Label in second. Territune, Air the Truth, and Virgin Island. Into the turn they go, Ria Valiente goes on by about 3 lengths. Black Label is right behind in second, 4 lengths away in third. Territune. Running by the Ralport comes Air the Truth and Virgin Island. They swing into the bank. And it's still Valiente. This time by only 2 lengths. Black Label still in second. 3 lengths. A gap in third is Territune. Air the Truth and Virgin Island. Valiente still in front by about 2 lengths. Black Label remains in second. Territune now coming closer in third. Air the Truth and Virgin Island. Valiente just in front by Oralenka. Moving up by the now is Territune and on the outside Black Label. As they come down at the last 200. And it's still Valiente. Black Label. Territune is down on the inside. Valiente still in front. Black Label on the outside. Territune. Last 100 meters. And it's still Valiente. Territune lifting down on the inside. Valiente. Territune entering the finish line. It's a close finish. Territune, Valiente. Then comes Black Label.